We've just left Ballina Headlands and we're heading for Sandstone Point, day 3, and the sun is out and there's hardly a cloud in the sky, and we're excited. Stop off at the factory outlets at Ashmore just for a quick spot of shopping. We tend to do a lot of our shopping there every year, pick up some good bargains, and then on to the Big 4 at Sandstone Point for a lot of swimming and whatever else they've got there.
Snorkeling.
And then go to Australia Zoo tomorrow. We're here at Big 4 Sandstone Point, and yeah, wow, what a great park. Been here for about 4 hours. In that time we've set up, we went for a swim, we've had a good go on the park, the pool, all that sort of stuff there. Went down the street, just copped an almighty storm that's just saturated the ground all around here. We'll show you around the park. There's some awesome things here. The pool area is great. The jumping pillow, the playground, some good games rooms. It's got it all. It's a great park.
This is the kids' room.
So it's day 4. It's just gone so quick, and we spent last night.
We're going to the zoo.
We're going to Australia Zoo today. We're heading out there now. After last night, spending the night at Sandstone Point Holiday Park. Oh my god, it's amazing, isn't it, kids? It's so good. Even the pool, even I went swimming. The pool was just an awesome temperature. Just cool enough to cool you off, but warm enough that you're not freezing. And the water slides were pretty fun, weren't they, Noah? After you were a little bit scared, but then you got brave and you went on them.
Where
good?
the bucket didn't go.
Where the bucket didn't go, yes. And we got a pretty awesome storm come through. We seen it coming and decided to go to Woolworths so that we weren't out in it. And then we got back and a tree at the caravan park had been hit, so a few people had no power and had to bail to the games room, who were in tents. But then the reception people gave us a call just to make sure everything was okay, which I thought was quite lovely. And P.S. drinking Macca's coffee. If you're in Cardiff, you need to go to New Nero for your coffee.
Whoa. The bird's just going crazy too.